Hi everyone, my name is Richard and I'll be taking you through this hotel review of the P.72 in Pattaya, Thailand, located just off of Walking Street. This particular room is A502. A denotes that it's the new tower. So for those of you that don't know, the P.72 has two towers. One is the old tower, one is the new. This is situated in the new tower and has a little newer construction. So I'll take you through some of the features. Just so you know, FYI, the cost of this hotel room is $32.74 per night. Let's take you through the room a little bit here. We have some nice mirrors, a lot of light coming into the room, TV that works pretty well. Room service is offered in the P.72 for you, so you have all your selections. Not sure of the hours here, but it starts pretty early in the morning and goes pretty late at night, which is really nice. One thing I did want to notice before I start taking you through the room is power converters. So if you're coming here from the States, you're definitely going to have a power converter to convert your power from 220 to 110. So one of the things that I did that was actually a mistake was I purchased my own power converter off of Amazon. As then you can see, it kind of just is almost ready to fall out. This thing is always falling out of the socket on me. So not the best decision on my part. I would recommend go to Jeremy's website on Amazon, his storefront, and go for his recommendation. There is some really nice power converters available through his store. Get one of those. Mine didn't work so well, so I definitely learned from that. Let me take you through some of the areas of the room here. We have the fridge. You will get 4 waters per day. 2 are refrigerated, 2 are unrefrigerated, which is pretty nice. It's about the norm here for Pattaya. 4 is about the norm. The closet. Ample space here. One of the things I do like about the P.72 is you get a lot of extra hangers, right? So on one of my previous videos I mentioned that you should probably bring your own. It's one of the few hotels that gives you a lot of extra hangers, which is really nice. Nice positive. One of the things I don't particularly like about this hotel is in regards to the safe. So you see that it just looks like a regular safe here for you with a key code. However, the key code is disabled. The way the P.72 works their safe is they provide you with a key to get in the safe, and they require that you give that key back to them down at the front desk. So essentially they have access to your safe at all times. I'm not really a big fan of that, so I actually choose not to keep my valuables in that safe. On a following video, I'll tell you how I actually choose to keep my valuables safe in an alternative way, and we'll go through that in a following video. Let's go through a couple other areas though. The aircon, great aircon in this unit. One thing I'll tell you guys on the video here is get to know your aircon. There's more to it than just high and setting the temperature. And the reason I mention that is you don't want this thing blowing on you full speed at night. You're gonna wake up with a sore throat, you're gonna feel like you're sick, like you're congested, and that's merely because of the aircon. What you do want to do is set the temperature a little bit higher, maybe a 24, and put it on low speed. That's where it's barely blowing out, it's monitoring the temperature, it's keeping it a nice temperature for the room, but it's not blowing on your throat and causing you all kinds of issues. So learn how to use it. A lot of people when they come to the room, they'll just have the person that sees them in the room just turn the air conditioning on. Ask them to show you through the different features and functions, something I do in every room I go into, and it's very helpful. Talking about housekeeping issues, so you get 2 towels per day. One's here, one's hanging up for me. Now you can pay to get 2 additional towels for the length of your stay. That's going to cost you additional 100 baht. That will provide you with 2 extra towels for the entirety of your stay. So if you choose to have extra towels, if you're taking a lot of showers, you want to have a dry towel, then I would say definitely do that. Let's go into the bathroom here and I'll show you a couple of things around this. So more of an updated bathroom. This is definitely more updated than you'd see in other areas in Pattaya. Nice sink. I will tell you it looks nice, but doesn't really function all that well. You turn the water on, it's going to tend to splash out. So be careful. You're going kind of lower speed there on the water. Shower, great shower. You have 2 settings. One is this hand spray, and then you have also the waterfall here. Now, a funny story to kind of share with you guys. Jerry, if you want to come in here and take a look, there's a small crack on the tile here. This is actually due to the whole shower system falling out and actually crashing on my head and then going into the wall. So that was a bit of an issue. The good thing is housekeeping came right back in and tightened the screw down, tightened it down, but it was a little bit of an issue. So beware, definitely make sure that things work. And let's just go through my list here, see if I'm missing anything. That's about it, guys. It's a smaller room, but I will tell you it's a clean room. This is A502. It's on the back side of the hotel. I will tell you, of all the hotels I've stayed at in the city, this is the quietest room. Double pane windows, it's on the back side. I sleep like a log. So if you're looking for a quiet place to be, you know, this is definitely the place to be. Bed, very, very soft and comfortable. Nice size as well, so it definitely will accommodate you moving around if you're one of those sleepers that tends to move around a lot. And that's about it. Great room, I give it a high recommendation. My only drawback is, again, the safe, and we'll go through that on a further video coming on down the line.